Hey there, Amy here with Sublimation and More and Hellbound Company. And in this quick video tutorial, I'm just showing you how easy it is to press these new Sublimation aluminum double-sided pet ID tags. These were created specifically for my state pet ID templates, which I do sell on my website as well. Here's the first one I already did, and as you can see, the colors came out really good, so I'm really happy with it. All right. Okay, so each pet tag will come with one of these little triangle bails, so you'll get those to be able to attach it onto the pet collar. You'll need your heat glove, your adhesive spray, your transfer, butcher paper, and some pliers. Okay. All right, so first what I did was for my template, you might have to modify your templates. I went ahead and moved the template as close together as possible, practically joining them. And the reason is because you can press both sides at the same time being aluminum. And that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to do it using the sandwich method. And let's see. So first I'm gonna, the first thing I did was I went ahead and lined up my template where I wanted it on here. And then I went ahead and folded over so I had a crease. So I kind of had a guideline. All right. Now I'm going to spray just a tiny bit of adhesive spray on there. And all you need is just a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to place it down where I want it. Okay. And then we're going to fold the other side over. And you're going to press firmly down. Okay, so with that adhesive spray, it should stay in place. We're going to put it in between the butcher paper. And we are going to press at 365 for 60 seconds. Medium pressure. And we'll be right back as soon as it's done cooking. Okay, we're in the last few seconds. Make sure you have your heat glove on. And when you open it, I'm going to want you to just flip it over. And the reason is to make sure that it presses both sides good. Okay, so we're just going to flip it over and we're going to give it about a 10 to 15 second, about a 20, probably a good 20-second press on this side to make sure that it did press all the way through. So we're just going to give it a couple seconds here. I would say about 20-25 seconds, which should probably be good. All right, so now we're going to open it. And because we didn't use any tape or anything, we should be able to just pull the paper right off. So I'm going to put my finger in the middle to keep it from ghosting, and I'm just going to slowly lift up. Yay. And take off the other side as well. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to let this cool so that we can handle it. One of the ways you can get it to cool quicker is to just set it on something cool like a tile. I usually keep this little tile next to my heat press so that I can set stuff like this on there. And you can just set it on there and it'll just help the cooling process. So as soon as it's done, we'll come right back and we'll go ahead and attach the bail to it. Okay, so my pet tag is cooled down, and I'm gonna just try to see if I can show you guys how good it came out. So for such a little pet tag, it came out really good. So you just take your bail and just put it through. And I was never good at this part, so hopefully. And you just take it and you just squeeze. That easy. And I'm gonna do the same for this one. I'm just making sure I'm squeezing tight there. There we go. Oops. All right. And there you go. And that's how easy it was. And they came out fabulous. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching.